Hello, this is Jennifer Shepard with the Shepard Center for Integrative Health. And I wanted to share a story with you. Often many of my stories are about experiences that I have in my own body and of course with my patients as well. But I wanted to share, as in the clinic, we often do a lot of work with the nervous system and the emotional nervous system. So in our work, visceral, vascular, and neural manipulation. We know from some of the theories, polyvagal theory and the work of Bessel van der Kolk, the body keeps score, that everything that happens to us, whether it's physical, mental, emotional, is stored in the body. So often in the PT world, we work with the physical aspect, but also as we evolved as PTs with our hands-on work, we're able to help patients with stored emotional and mental components as well. So what I wanted to share is, everything that happens to us, our body is always processing. What do I do with this information? Where do I put it? And if something happens to us, like emotionally, and we don't have the opportunity or feel safe to process it, the body will store it in a particular organ. So what I wanted to share with you, which was very interesting in my own life personally, is my mom just passed away. And so I have been processing a lot of the work and, throw on the external circumstances of society and gas prices and all of that, and perimenopause, so many things, right? So many things that my body on a subconscious and deeper biological level is trying to process. So where I'm going with this story is I was feeling kind of blue yesterday, and just, you wake up on the wrong side of the bed and glass half empty and, just struggling. So I reached out to friends and, what do I need to do to take care of myself today? And of course, get my work done. But what was most fascinating to me, and again, this is what I experience with my patients, is when I tucked into bed, often I will self-treat. So I checked in. Every one of our organs has a rhythm. And when we're in balance, when things are great, our organs are in balance with each other. And they demonstrate a rhythm, just a healthy, vibrant rhythm that is symmetrical, it's vibrant, and they're in rhythm with each other. So we know when we feel well, often we can confirm with our hands as well that yes, the organs and the brain, everything is in balance. So it was interesting, as I dove into my system, I dove into uterus and ovaries, and so much of my system was not in balance. Again, it was just kind of quiet and shut down, kind of in a protective mode. So it made a lot of sense to me. Yes, I'm feeling kind of crummy and my organs are experiencing it as well. So as I started to treat myself, dive into the motility, which is again the balance, the rhythm. I worked on the rhythm of the uterus, rhythm of the ovaries, and actually went up into the hypothalamus, which is one of the primary regulatory structures of our neuroendocrine system. So just really exciting for me to experience in my own body, again, how we feel externally mood-wise, and truly what's going on inside the body rhythm-wise. And the most important, exciting piece of that is what we can do with our hands, with a trained hand, of course, to help the body come to a better state of balance. And then everything works better, everything feels better. We feel a little bit lighter, we feel a bit brighter in our mood because the biochemistry is in a better place. Fluid dynamics are in a better place. Communication in general, because our nervous system is always communicating with each other, is in a better place. So again, this is Jennifer Shepard with the Shepard Center for Integrative Health, and we specialize in whole person integrative manual therapy. We treat everything from back pain to postpartum to anxiety, depression, you name it. We love to explore and problem solve. Here's all the players involved in what is happening in your body, and then what we need to do with our hands to help bring your body to a better state of balance, keep everything in harmony, keep everything working together, because it's all connected.